We were able to fire 150 kilometer with an accuracy CP of less than 3 meter. Similarly, 300 kilometer rocket launcher and the rocket was also fired with a CP of less than 3 meter. The Vayu Astra can also be fired from this. And going ahead, we would also want to fire Pinaka from this rocket launcher system. So as you rightly said, Suryastra, it is a rocket launcher system with the capability to fire 150 kilometer and 300 kilometer rockets. So recently, last week, we had the demonstration in ITR Chandipur. In ITR Chandipur, we were able to fire 150 kilometer with an accuracy CP of less than 3 meter. Similarly, 300 kilometer rocket launcher and the rocket was also fired with a CP of less than 3 meter. So अगर आप देखोगे, today we have got an order from Indian Army under emergency procurement for this system. हमें आज emergency procurement में 2 launcher vehicle देना है, एक battery command post और एक loader vehicle देना है. So this is the delivery that we'll be doing to the Indian Army.
And Defence Minister Rajnath Singh will be flagging it off for the Indian Army.
Yes. So what we had to do is the equipment, the ground equipment that we had demonstrated in Chandipur, this is the same equipment that will be delivered to Indian Army. So these are ready, and today we would, with the presence of Honorable Defence Minister, we would like to do the flag off ceremony of this.
What is the future of Suryastra and the Indian Army?
So as you see today, अगर आप देखोगे, today we have Pinaka with a range of 70 kilometer and 120 going on. So this is 300 kilometer. So we intend to give this to the maximum regiments of Indian Army. And yes, we see good number of orders and good number of requirement this kind of a system in India.
What is the projected business that you are looking from this system?
I'm not sure if I can guess the numbers right, but then I'm looking at least around 5,000 crore of orders from this system, from Suryastra. From Suryastra.
And what is a lot of people say that it's a completely Israeli system that has been given to the Indian Army. It's actually pulse and now being called Suryastra. So what do you have to say about that?
Yes, I would say partially you are right. This is an Elbit system. So Elbit system has already delivered this kind of platform globally to their clients. So what we have done is we entered into a technology collaboration agreement with Elbit System Israels. And in last 2 years, in phases, we were able to indigenize this. If you see, even before we got this order from Indian Army, we were actually supplying the launchers to Israel. So last year, we had got orders for the launcher from Elbit System, which we were supplying. Elbit System was integrating and delivering it to their global partners or to their global customers. So we were already into this. And of course, in phases today, we have around 60% which we have indigenized. Going ahead, we intend to indigenize it completely 100%. In fact, I would say, going from this experience, we are also going to launch our Pinaka from this capability, and that would be our goal.
So it's a universal rocket launcher. So can you launch a rocket like Pinaka or a missile like BrahMos from the same launcher?
Yes. So it is a universal rocket launcher system, Ajit ji, as you said. In this, you can fire today 150 and 300 kilometer. We can also fire loitering ammunition that you see there. The Vayu Astra can also be fired from this. And going ahead, we would also want to fire Pinaka from this rocket launcher system. Yes.
And we can also see the Pinaka. So you
Yes.
have the TOT for that?
Yes. So Pinaka TOT we had got from DRDO, and we have been able to absorb the technology from them. Yes, we do have the platform to offer, which has been absorbed from DRDO. So yeah, I would say you rightly said it. This is the Sky Striker system from Elbit System. Yes, we have for the indigenized version we call it Vayu Astra. So it's a loitering ammunition with a range of 100 kilometer. It has a strike speed of more than 450 kilometers per hour. So Vayu Astra we had demonstrated as a part of RFP of Indian Army. So we had 2 trials. We took the first trial in Pokhran. So in Pokhran we had to demonstrate the capability of anti-personnel and anti-tank, which we were successfully able to demonstrate to the Indian Army. Next, we went to Joshimath. Joshimath again was a demonstration and our capability display of high altitude in Joshimath, and we successfully demonstrated there as well. So yes, we were able to do the demonstration for Indian Army, for Vayu Astra, and we have qualified technically on that.
And can you tell us the tender for which this trial was done?
Yes, so we have an RFP, we have a tender from Indian Army, the Directorate of Artillery. There were multiple users, multiple bidders who were there. Finally, I guess there were 4 of them who were there for the demonstration. And out of the 3, Nibe is one of them who have technically qualified, and we are looking forward for the commercial bid to be opened.
And there are 3 companies who are in the final final race.
Final
for
race.
The, around 2,000 crore competition of the Indian
Right,
Army.
yes. Right.
And the Sky Strikers were used during Operation Sindoor also.
Correct.
So, were they taken directly from Israel by the
Yes.
Indian Army, or?
Yes. So previously the version, the Sky Striker which was given to Indian Army, that was part of a G2G arrangement. So under G2G, Sky Striker was procured directly by Indian Army, and those were very successfully used during the Operation Sindoor. Now after that, we have gone into an technology collaboration agreement with Elbit Systems, wherein we are in phase of indigenizing the Indian version of it. And yes, the system that we are offering now is an indigenized one. In fact, for the G2G, all the maintenance contract and all the maintenance work is being done by NIBE, which is actually being done locally by NIBE here.
You also have the Rampage in your range.
Right.
Can you tell us more about that? Because that is something which again was used very successfully to target the Pakistani positions, terrorist camps deep inside
Yes.
Pakistan.
Yeah, I think we have a very wonderful solution and a capability from Rampage, and which was very successfully used and demonstrated during Operation Sindoor, as you rightly said. So again, Rampage is the similar version, or I would say is a similar platform which we are using on Suryastra. The 300-kilometer Predator Hawk and the Rampage uses the same platform and the same technology. So I would say Predator Hawk, we are going to indigenize it here, and we are going to deliver as a part of Suryastra. Rampage also will be manufactured in India, which will go to Indian Air Force.
What is the range that we are looking in the Rampage?
I think Rampage we are looking at more than 600 kilometers, which we
Air-launched version.
air-launched version, yes. Yeah.
And the rocket is around 300 kilometers. Can this range of rocket be increased?
Yes, as on now we have successfully demonstrated 300 kilometer to our users, and I would say maybe in the next maybe in the next 6 months we will be demonstrating further range as well to our users.
We also see a 1,000-kilometer loitering munition
Yes.
being placed here.
Correct.
So can you tell us about that? What is
Yes.
the plan?
So as an experience of Vayuastra and Sky Striker which we had from Elbit System, we have been doing our own R&D. We've been investing in our research and development, and today we are developing a range of 100-kilometer loitering ammunition. And in this year, we would like to demonstrate 100-kilometer range capability as well to the users. 1,000 kilometers.
And what is last question to you? What is the order book that you are looking for NIBE Group in say next 5 years from the defense business?
Well, I would say in the next span of 3 years, we are looking at least more than 5,000 crore of order book for the NIBE. And that I can say with confidence, because the platform that we are delivering, the platform that NIBE Group is working on, be it on the land systems, be it on the naval side, be it on the Air Force side, considering the range of products we have, the range of platform that we are working on, I'm very confident that we would reach these numbers comfortably.